So here's quite a popular app, Universal Remote for Smart TV, for TV Smart. Yeah, you can just use, TV remote from your phone. And this app works with many brands. So as you can see, Aquashar, Fire TV, Roku, Sony, Samsung, LG, Casper, TCL, Toshiba, a lot of like major brands, which you can use this app with. Um, I I have myself Samsung QLED TV, like 50 inches, like just to say for many brands, many like Samsung already has its own Samsung app. Uh, it's not Samsung, it's like SmartThings app, but it has its own remote inside of the app. But sometimes, if you don't want to set up those apps, or you have like TVs from multiple brands, or yeah, just you lost your remote, whatever, you can just try this app, and it has quite advanced features like yeah, first of all, you just replace your own remote. You can use keyboard for searching, but also you can apply different themes, which is not possible to do with some other apps. Cast to TV quickly, tap to change channels. So yeah, this is quite advanced utility app. It's in top charts, and then you just need to allow that. And yeah, unfortunately, this app has a lot of annoying ads in a free version, but then yeah, here you just have this. You just need to have that, and then you need to select device to connect. So for example, if I turn on my TV right now, uh, let's check it out. So here you have it, so I can just reach out. So now I just connected to my Samsung TV. Then it works perfectly. Yeah, I just see changes on my TV. And then yeah, I can just turn up volume, turn down, and it works smoothly right from the start. And then you can just change it to, uh, and then you can just try swiping. So swiping doesn't really work, but yeah, here you have that. You can just move through the channels, change the volume. So it works. So volume works, channels don't really work. Okay, so you just need to set it up. So arrows work as well. That's fine. So you can just move through the apps, and yeah, and then you can also have apps here. So you can see which apps are installed on this TV, and you can launch them. You can easily cast photos, cast music, cast video. You can, so yeah, you can do that. And then there are settings. From here, you can change themes if you just want some different themes. So yeah, like then you can just enable an upgrade to premium. They have a really nice lifetime deals where you can just pay once and you have this app forever, and you won't be have these annoying ads. So how to connect the device? Ensure your phone and smart TV connect to the same Wi-Fi. Click connect icon on the top right, choose connect, and there you have it. So super easy to connect. For me, it was just really smoothly where I just connected in on the go. And yeah, so that was about that. So yeah, if you're unable to cast picture, uh, so yeah, you can just read some advice. But yeah, pretty cool app, and actually it works kind of more smooth than original Samsung remote app, because here you have all the different themes, and it's just much more kind of normal, because sometimes some smart TVs, they create this quite annoying design of remotes. For example, on Samsung, in my case, you need to increase the volume in quite weird way, so that doesn't work all the time. But yeah, here you just have this. But yeah, so there you have it. That's the idea of it. Um, so yeah, something like that. Give a try to this app.